Cooking with Cosmo here with sharp objects. Rule number 1, don't run in the kitchen with a knife, okay? Now that we have that out of the way, I'm Cosmo D with Cosmo D's Outrageous Edibles. If you haven't seen us before, we do some amazing chocolates, snickerdoodles, and shoot, we even do some cannabis olive oil. 2,000 milligrams. 2,000. Anyway, don't drink the whole thing at once. So we're just playing here today. We're just chilling. You know, it's kind of boring sitting at the shelter at home place, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So I decided to make a bunch of cannabis oil. So this is about 100,000 milligrams right here. So I'd recommend not to drink it unless you really want to get high. So anyway, we're just cruising here. We've got some hazy hazelnut. If you guys haven't tried this before, come and check it out. Look at this. Come in a little closer here. So these are just, I just made these the other day. They're so good. Nice. Look at that. They're just so fun and flavorful. Oh yeah. So we've got some pistachios, hazelnuts, and each little bite is like 8.3 milligrams. And it's just to die for. Pan de chocolat. So I'm working with some other stuff. Oh man, that's good. That was good. Check these out. So here's some new chocolates I got going on. These little squares. So I heard you guys, you guys have been asking for Cosmo D do something a little bit smaller. So I did. So these are my little 5 milligram bites of pan de chocolat. It's like a fudge. It's freaking-licious. These are only about 5 milligrams, and they're to die for. So if you guys are interested in finding out more about Cosmo D's and how you can make some hot sauce, pesto, or really just smoke a little bit of pot, hit me up. You know where I'm at. Cosmo D's Outrageous Edibles, cosmosedibles.com, or Twitter. I don't have Twitter. Or YouTube. I don't even know I'm on YouTube yet, but I will be. Instagram, cosmos_edibles. Be there or be square.